Fourth Wealth Creation Study, Lessons for Investors and Future Growth Stocks. Introduction. The Fourth Wealth Creation Study by Motilal Oswal, 1994 to 1999, highlighted the fundamental principles of wealth creation in equity markets. It emphasized that sustained earnings growth, high return on equity, ROE, and reasonable valuation metrics like PEG ratio were the key drivers of stock market wealth creation. The study provided insights that are still relevant today, making it a useful framework for identifying future multi-bagger stocks. Key findings from the Fourth Wealth Creation Study. 1. Earnings growth is the prime driver. Companies with a CAGR of over 25% contributed to 76% of the total wealth created. IT companies like Infosys, Wipro, and Satyam Computers were among the biggest wealth creators. 2. Technology companies led the way. 9 out of the 10 fastest growing companies during 1994 to 1999 belonged to the IT sector. This trend was a precursor to the tech boom in India and remains relevant even today with AI and SaaS driving new wealth creation. 3. High ROE and low PEG create maximum wealth. Stocks bought at a PEG ratio below 1.0 generated superior returns. ROE exceeding 25% was a consistent trait among wealth creators. 4. FMCG and pharmaceuticals were strong contenders. Apart from IT, FMCG, Hindustan Lever, Nestle, and Pharma, Ranbaxy, Glaxo continued to create significant value for investors. Present-day examples of wealth creators 2019 to 2024. The principles from the Fourth Wealth Creation Study can be applied to recent success stories in the Indian stock market. 1. IT and digital transformation leaders. Infosys, TCS, and HCL Tech, these IT giants continue to be strong performers due to their focus on AI, cloud computing, and digital transformation. Tata Elxsi and Persistent Systems, emerging stars in the engineering R&D and digital space, showing strong revenue growth and profitability. 2. Consumer and FMCG growth stocks. Nestle India and Hindustan Unilever, with increasing consumer spending and brand loyalty, these companies continue to compound wealth. Trent Limited and DMart, Avenue Supermart's strong expansion in organized retail and e-commerce-backed growth makes them future multi-baggers. 3. Healthcare and Pharma boom. Sun Pharma and Cipla, beneficiaries of global demand for generic drugs and innovation in the biopharma space. Divi's Labs and Dr. Reddy's, leaders in API manufacturing and specialty pharma with high margins. 4. New Age wealth creators. Adani Enterprises and Reliance Industries, diversification into renewable energy, digital services, and infrastructure. Zomato and Nykaa, profitable expansion in the tech-enabled consumer space. Recommended future growth stocks 2025 and beyond. Investors can apply the learnings from the Fourth Wealth Creation Study to identify stocks with high growth potential. Below are some strong contenders. 1. AI and digital disruptors. Tata Consultancy Services, TCS, and Infosys, continued leadership in AI and cloud. Route Mobile and Tanla Platforms, CPaaS, communication platform as a service, revolutionaries with strong revenue visibility. 2. Green energy and EV players. Tata Power and Adani Green Energy, India's ambitious renewable energy goals make them a strong bet. Olectra Greentech and Amara Raja Batteries, strong EV growth potential. 3. FinTech and New Age banking. Bajaj Finance and HDFC Bank, consistent earnings growth and strong asset quality. Paytm and Policy Bazaar, New Age FinTech disruptors with high market penetration. 4. Specialty chemicals and Pharma. Aarti Industries and AM, Deepak Nitrite, global demand for specialty chemicals fuels high-margin growth. Biocon and AM, Leroy's Labs, emerging biotech players with global reach. Conclusion: the fourth wealth creation study remains a crucial guide for identifying long-term winners in the stock market. By focusing on companies with high earnings growth and GT 25% CAGR, strong ROE and GT 25% and attractive PEG ratios and LT 1.0, investors can position themselves for sustained wealth creation. Future opportunities lie in IT, AI, renewable energy, fintech, and pharmaceuticals, aligning with India's growth trajectory. Investors should keep an eye on evolving trends, ensuring that they pick businesses with sustainable competitive advantages. Just like the IT boom of the 90s, the next decade will present similar opportunities, only this time it might be in AI, green energy, and digital platforms.